Welcome to our video where we will compare two popular air fryers, the Chefman TurboFry Touch 8 Quart Air Fryer and the COSORI Air Fryer Pro. We will evaluate each product in different categories and help you decide which one is the right fit for you. Make sure to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. If you are cooking for a big family or love entertaining guests, you might prefer the Chefman TurboFry Touch with its 8-quart capacity. However, if you have a smaller kitchen or live alone, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro with its 5-quart capacity might be a better fit for you. The Chefman TurboFry Touch has 4 one-touch cooking presets to cook your favorite meals, while the COSORI Air Fryer Pro offers 9 one-touch cooking functions and preheat feature with personalized shake reminders. While both air fryers offer similar features, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro is available at a lower price point than the Chefman TurboFry Touch. Both the Chefman TurboFry Touch and the COSORI Air Fryer Pro are dishwasher safe with non-stick baskets, making cleaning up a breeze. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro offers a temperature range of 170 to 450 degrees F, while the Chefman TurboFry Touch has an adjustable temperature control, giving you more control over temperature settings. And there you have it. We hope this comparison helped you decide which air fryer is best for you. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.